Since a reading boy, baby.
Interested in knowing everything about this gorgeous juicy wig, then keep on watching. So this hair was sent to me by one of my favorite companies, ReadyWigs. They're the same company that I collaborated with for my gray hair review. If you haven't seen that video yet, what are you waiting for? I'm going to leave like a snippet right here, and I'm also going to leave the link down in my description box, so make sure you go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. So the hair that I'm rocking right now is their 24-inch body wave synthetic uni, 13 by, I think it was 13 by 6. Like, it goes ear to ear, basically. That's what it means. And it's a synthetic uni. I don't know if I mentioned that already, like, but you guys, look at this. Just look at this uni. Look at this wig. So gorgeous. Anyway, getting ReadyWig, they really literally live up to that name, meaning this wig comes ready to wear. For someone who is a beginner, amateur, you don't have to style wigs, like, this is the perfect wig for you. The only thing you need to do is just cut off the lace that it comes with, trim the baby hairs a little bit, and like lay them. In fact, you don't even need to lay them, you can just like brush it into, like, you know, the rest of the hair, and you'll be good to go. So now for the actual, like, you know, details about this hair, I'm going to leave another video right here showing you like the inside construction of the cap, showing you how like long the parting space is. It goes from ear to, like, this hair is just everything. This wig is just everything. Now this is the only wig, or one of the only wigs I would say, that I've actually like worn out before reviewing, because usually I review like straight out the box, but this hair I wore it out today, and you guys, like, it didn't start tangling, it didn't like get super, like, you know, annoying and like really hard to deal with. It was really perfect all the way. Like, you don't need to even brush it that much. If you want more of a juicier curl pattern, then you can definitely like comb it out and like fluff it up and, like, you know, make it more bouncy. But like, even without it being like bouncy, like, it's already perfect by itself. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed so far. Like, it's just amazing. Like, I really love this wig. I always love their wigs. They're really good, you guys. This wig retails for $52, and I'm going to say, like I always say in all my videos, like I literally say this in all my videos, it is still, you guys, because the quality of the hair is A1. Like, if you're not even thinking that deep into it, this wig looks like a freaking human hair wig, you guys. That's something that is really good about this company. All their hair looks like human hair, so that's like a really good quality about it. If you want coins off, you can always use my coupon code that I'm going to leave here to get money of your order. So yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next one.